Hi, today we are making a chilled Peruvian strawberry mousse, a bright strawberry dessert with fresh fruit flavor and a cloud-like texture. It serves 6 and takes 25 minutes of prep, plus 4 hours of chilling. Let's walk through the ingredients, starting with 1 pound of fresh strawberries. Choose ripe berries because they bring the color, aroma, and natural sweetness to this chilled mousse. 1/2 cup of granulated sugar sweetens the strawberries without making the mousse heavy. It also helps the puree taste bright after chilling. 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice adds a gentle tang. That little acidity keeps the strawberry flavor lively and balanced. 1 packet of unflavored gelatin, about 7 grams, gives the mousse a soft chilled set. It should hold its shape but still feel creamy. 1/4 cup of cold water is for blooming the gelatin. This step helps the powder dissolve smoothly before it goes into the fruit. 12 fluid ounces of well-chilled evaporated milk are the Peruvian-style secret to a light, whipped texture. The colder it is, the better it foams. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract rounds out the strawberry flavor. It adds warmth without covering the fresh fruit. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Place the 12 fluid ounces of evaporated milk in the freezer at 0 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, and chill the mixing bowl and beaters in the refrigerator at 40 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Rinse the 1 pound of strawberries under cold water at about 55 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds. Hold them, then reserve 6 small strawberries for garnish. Blend the remaining strawberries with 1/2 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of lime juice for 30 seconds at room temperature, about 70 degrees Fahrenheit, until the mixture is smooth. Strain the strawberry puree through a fine sieve for 1 minute at room temperature, about 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Press gently, then discard the seeds for a smoother mousse. Sprinkle 1 packet of unflavored gelatin over 1/4 cup of cold water. Let it bloom for 5 minutes at room temperature, about 70 degrees Fahrenheit, so it hydrates evenly. Warm the bloomed gelatin over low heat to about 160 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 to 2 minutes. Stir until it dissolves completely, and do not let it boil. Stir the dissolved gelatin into the strawberry puree for 30 seconds at room temperature, about 70 degrees Fahrenheit, until the puree looks evenly glossy. Beat the chilled evaporated milk, at about 35 degrees Fahrenheit, for 4 to 5 minutes. Stop when it triples in volume and becomes light and foamy. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to the whipped evaporated milk and beat for 15 seconds while the mixture stays cold, about 35 degrees Fahrenheit. Fold 1/3 of the strawberry mixture into the whipped evaporated milk for 30 seconds at about 40 degrees Fahrenheit. This lightens the base and makes the final folding easier. Fold in the remaining strawberry mixture for 1 minute at about 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Work gently until the mousse is evenly pale pink and still airy. Divide the mousse evenly among 6 clear dessert cups, about 1/2 cup per cup, while the mixture is about 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Cover the dessert cups and chill them in the refrigerator at 40 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 4 hours, until the mousse is softly set. Top each chilled mousse with the 6 reserved strawberries and serve it cold at about 40 degrees Fahrenheit. This completes the recipe and brings the chilled Peruvian strawberry dessert together. And there it is, a chilled Peruvian strawberry mousse that delivers the fresh fruit flavor and airy texture we promised at the start. Serve it very cold after a meal, and if you enjoyed this recipe, like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell